Hello, everyone. I'm Assemblywoman Blanca Rubio, and I proudly represent the 48th Assembly District in the California State Legislature. I want to send a huge congratulations to the graduates of UEI College in West Covina. As a teacher and a proud supporter of education, I know how much heart and hustle it takes to get to this moment, especially for those of you who are the first in your families to graduate. Graduating is a big deal. By choosing workforce education at UEI College in West Covina, you've taken a powerful step towards building a better life. And you're also helping to fill critical jobs that keep the Fighting 48th moving forward. Your success in our community is our community's success. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Congratulations to the UEI class of 2025. Your future is now. Felicidades, graduados. Estamos muy orgullosos de ustedes. Sigan adelante. Congratulations, graduates. We are so proud of you. Keep moving forward.